But I'm having a good day there. I hope y'all doing a good day there.
Hey guys, it's CJ and Corey. That's right, it's CJ and Corey.
Okay guys, I'm actually just testing out this little GoPro I got. I got it mostly for B-roll and to shoot like overhead while I'm checking the camera because I'm controlling it with my phone. So I am just testing. Corey's in the background playing a game or something. I'm just testing it out. I want to see how the audio sounds on here. I'm pretty sure it won't be that great, but it's not really for audio. But I just thought I'd pop in and say I was just making a little lemonade. That footage is going to be on here. Yeah, I got it for B-roll because I want to use it for overhead when we're shooting our cooking videos and when we are crafting, making our Crayola videos, and just other fun stuff. And maybe this one, I mean, it's small and it's not my like main camera. And Ryan had one actually be used to film Little Ryan sports events and stuff like that. She's cracking up over there. So I thought this might be cool for that, and his works great, and the film looks pretty good. So I was like, oh, it'd be great for B-roll. And then y'all, because the storage on my phone was filling up, okay? She is a week over there. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this does, and we'll be using it for B-roll. But I just thought I'd pop in and check it out. Maybe I'll move around a little bit. Hey, Corey.
Hi.
I think I'll let Corey vlog a little with this because it's a lot more durable than my regular camera. You want to say what's up to the crew?
Hey.
Hey, crew. It's slow. Don't look at the camera over there. Just look over here. It's a delayed response on the screen. I went with an older version. I didn't get the 10. I have an 8. Oh, this is a 9. It's either an 8 or a 9. I'll link it down below. But so I don't have like the little preview screen on the front. But the screen was so small that it was like pay the extra. Hold on, but the screen was so small, it was like, oh, here, you can hold the phone. The screen was so small, it was like, why pay the extra?
Hey.
Like, I think it was like an extra $200 to go from the 8 to the 10, especially when this is going to be my, like, side camera instead of just going with the 8. And then I watched a bunch of review videos between, like, the 8, the 9, the 8, the 10, the 9, the 10. So I just went with the 8 because it was only, like, I got the camera, this little camera, a case and some other little stuff, and I got a memory card and everything for like $300, so wasn't bad at all.
Hi guys. I am doing a below, and I just talking and stuff. But I'm having a good day there. I hope y'all doing a good day there. But y'all go on my next below, my belows, but my belows more below. My belows is more better. And I didn't know y'all do this. And I love y'all guys. And I love y'all. I'm really so